but welcome to Good Fun and Us. Whew, it is a hot one today.
It's a scorcher.
It is humid and I don't know, just really muggy. We're kind of like hopping along in the stores, finding all the AC.
Ducking into all the AC
Oh
corners.
my gosh. But yeah, pretty much today is going to be a relaxing day of us jumping around, seeing what's new. We haven't been here for over a year, so we want to just ease our way back in.
Yeah, we're not really chasing any rides today. We just want to check out the new decorations, see what it's like as the start of Halloween begins.
See what we can get into. But I mean, it is a hot one today. Very hot. Well, see you guys out there. All right, we are here at Disneyland on Disney Plus Day. Everybody's in line to get in a little bit early, about 7:30. We get in a little early so we can get our free Disney Plus gift.
Morning.
Disney Plus?
Yes.
All right, we on our way in. Thank you. All right, we are in the park. Oh, we got some.
I'm
Looks
all
like we got
set.
some ears.
Thank you.
Oh, this is amazing. Wow. All right. Look at these Disney Plus ears. Pretty sweet. Wow.
We got a button
Yeah, and a button.
ears.
This is already worth it. Getting up early, huh?
Yeah,
This is worth it.
This is so worth it. No carpet, but that's okay.
I know. We got actual ears this time.
Oh, I love it. Look at Mickey Yamaka.
You look great.
Yeah.
I love it.
Ready.
Oh, see, it works out.
The girls don't want to put it on because we have our ears on.
Okay, we are back at Main Street, USA, Disneyland. It's been over a year since we've been back here, and maybe 3 or 4 years since we've been back during the holiday season, or Halloween season. All right, walking down Main Street.
Oh, if you have photo pass for the day, there's Disney Plus photo ops around Disneyland and California Adventure. Maybe we'll find some, but we're not going to be looking out for it.
Welcome to Disneyland. All of us here at the Happiest Place on Earth are delighted to have you as our guests today. In just a moment, we invite you to get your ears on and begin your adventure as you explore Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. For your safety, we ask that you please walk to your next destination, and we hope that today you'll make memories that will last a lifetime.
Gosh, Pinocchio is out today. Woo! Uh-oh. This is great.
Favorite bulletin board. In Fantasyland on the way to Frontierland. Explain Rider. And they never get his nose right.
Here we are at Frontierland. And we're at the Halloween tree. A daytime view of the Halloween tree. Halloween tree.
Halloween tree in the day.
Oh yeah, just so you guys know, she has a Halloween tree song.
Practically perfect in every way, those things. But don't, when Mary moves around, you feel so grand. You're all so sweet on your big brass band.
All right, it's freaking hot. We should head to Splash Mountain and cool off and head back to the hotel afterwards to get some rest.
Okay, it is really hot. Oh my god, I'm gonna get soaked. I just know it.
Oh my God, we are beyond soaked. Oh, we are beyond soaked now.
Well, that's just where you're going.
I hope I blocked a little bit.
Oh my god, this is the most fun I've ever gotten.
All right, we just got off of Splash Mountain. And
So,
yeah,
You can really notice mine, right?
I don't notice you at
Oh,
all.
it's a lighter shirt, but I'm so believe me in that. Yeah. Squishy shoes there.
My shoes are super squishy. I think we need to go change.
we retreated to the hotel with our wet shoes to dry up and rest up for D23. Anela and our friends took a quick trip back to downtown Disney to check out more Disney Plus festivities.
We finally found the Disney Plus carpet on the way to downtown Disney. And there was a lot of balloon arch photo spots. We popped into DCA to do a few Disney Plus magic shots. There were probably a lot more locations, but we were too hot and hungry to really hunt them down.
We stretched our energy a little by visiting the parks the day before the D23 Expo. Nevertheless, Disney Plus Day came with some added magic to visit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Definitely stay tuned because Expo days are coming up next. Not today, Olaf.